Here is a quick video showing how you can use Polytomic to sync company data from Harmonic to HubSpot. Now, your first step, of course, will be connecting Polytomic to Harmonic using your supplied API key. Once you've done that, then you'll be able to proceed. Our first step will be building a data model of fields of interest from Harmonic. All this means is we will surface a list of fields that we care to sync from Harmonic into a list here. Now, we can do that by clicking Add Model, pick the source system you'd like. In this case, we'll pick Harmonic, and let's call this model Companies. Now, I'm going to grab fields from a saved search that I have, a list of companies from YC Winter 22 batch. We'll click that, and what Polytomic will do is this will retrieve all the fields behind this saved search, where you'll get to pick what fields to greenlight for syncing to other systems. And so you can see, well, on the left-hand side here, we'll give you a list of all the fields and their names. But the leftmost column is your actionable one. This is a yes/no column that decides what fields are available for syncing to other systems. It's up to you to greenlight whichever fields you'd like for syncing. In this case, I'll pick everything and click Save. And so here we have a full data model from our saved search. In fact, let's actually rename this model to YC Winter 22 Companies, just to be a bit more descriptive. Now, given this data model here, we can sync it anywhere we want. In this example, we will sync to HubSpot specifically. We can go to Model Syncs, create sync, pick our destination system to be HubSpot as an example, pick our target object. In this case, we want to sync to companies. And you get 3 sync modes to choose from. Either we will only create records in HubSpot or only update existing ones, or do both. We'll pick both. Now, the first thing to set with any sync is what we call an identity mapping. Now, on the left-hand side, it's all the Polytomic model fields we've just built into this YC Winter 22 model. On the right-hand side, it's all the HubSpot company fields. Now, the identity mapping is simply a match key between both sides. HubSpot rather favors domains when syncing to companies, and so we will use that, the website domain, as our identity key on both sides. Now, once you do this, you can now go nuts and map whatever else you want to send over. We can grab, we can grab company name, map the legal name into, we'll map this to company name in HubSpot. And you can just simply follow this example and pick any other fields. We can map the description field into a description field in HubSpot, and so on. You just map whatever fields you want. You can set some model filters as well. These are point and click filters if you want to select subsets of your data. And so, for example, maybe we only want to move records where the funding total is greater than, let's say, 100,000. Right, so you get to pick and choose. You get a full set of filters for text, other ones for numbers, and other ones for dates as well. Now you can hit continue and set your sync schedule. Now this could be manual, where someone has to click a button every time to initiate a sync, or continuous, which updates on a near real-time basis based on what changes in Harmonic, or any of the structured schedules of your choosing. Now we'll pick an hourly schedule here at 30 minutes on the hour, hit continue. And then the last step is to simply verify the settings we've just picked. If all looks okay, then click save in the top right. And that's it. Here you can run a test sync, which would sync 5 random records into HubSpot, or we'll just enable the sync And you can now leave things be, and everything will automatically update in HubSpot every hour on the hour from Harmonic.